I just want to say to all the independent filmmakers out there is if when you don't have money, you have time. So really think about how you use it, because that is so important. Once you have money, you don't have time. Everything is on the clock. Everyone's watching.
Here's what happened. I lost a debit card. And so I had to I had to lock it. And then I was using another card to pay for things. And then they were like, hey, this is kind of weird. You don't use this card this much. We're going to lock this for fraud. And then I called them and was like, hey, that was me. Please don't lock it. This is like all I have. And then they said, actually, sorry, we are going to just block the card. We're going to send you a new one. So the first card is in the mail. It's coming in 7 to 10 business days. And then the second one is also on its way. I have no way of paying digitally. I can't do tap to pay. I can only do Venmo. And luckily, I have a good amount in my Venmo. The issue is that I can't use that Venmo anywhere. And I have to buy cat food today. I have to buy 2 cans of cat food. I need $2 and I don't have change. I know there's change under my bed. Here we go.